On the count of 8 to 3, we're aiming in such a way to end up close to the center of the dance floor. Man is with the right shoulder to the audience. On the count of 1, we're going to take a step away from each other, man with the right leg, lady with the left one. At the same time, our hands are sliding down to this position with the lady's hands on top of the man's palms. Now the man is taking a step forward with the left leg diagonally slightly to the left to pass the partner and raise the left hand. Like this, walk around the lady and lower the hand to end up in a position that we call a basket. Then continue walking around the lady with natural everyday steps. We're going to count the steps in a while. When you're facing the audience, raise your left hand above the lady's head, then the right one, walking around her all the time, and lower the hands one more time into the basket. This time the lady's hands are crossed in a different way. Let's cover the men's steps now. Right, backward, left, right, left, right, left. With the step onto the right leg, raise the left hand, step, then left leg, right one, left, right, up to the point when you're facing the audience, ending up standing on the right leg before going into the next part. Let's now focus on the lady's perspective. Step backward with the left leg, connect your feet, left leg goes forward, rotating your body counterclockwise, raising the right hand, leading it in front of your face. We call this position a basket, as we've already mentioned. You need to end up on the right side of the man and then continue walking backward with small steps. Left, right, left, right, left. As your right shoulder is to the audience, you're going to rotate, taking a step with the right leg and raising your right hand. Right leg, right hand, left leg, left hand, above your head, in front of your face. Stay in one place, you're the center of the rotation, continue walking backward with natural, everyday, very small steps, up to the point when you're facing the audience one more time. You will see that this part is very rhythmic, and if you do it in a proper pace, it's very intuitive and easy to dance. Let's now count the last part. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3.